guys, I'm really excited because I was able to partner with Yesoul, and I've partnered with Yesoul before, and I'm really excited to partner with them again for their G1M Plus exercise bike. The last bike of theirs that I had was awesome, but this one is like spectacular. First of all, it was super easy to put together, and my camera cut off, so I wasn't able to finish it. But I'm gonna show you. The process was super easy. It looks so good. It's super compact, so it fits right in my exercise corner. So it has this super cool screen. It is a 21.5-inch 1080p screen, and it has 4 speakers, including 2 subwoofers. So it's real, like the sound quality is really awesome, and it also syncs with your phone, iPhone, Android. It has an upgraded screen casting cable, so you can effortlessly switch between wireless and wired casting. So let me show you. So if you just want to ride and you don't want to watch anything or read anything, then you can just do it, and all of your stats are just right here on the screen in front of you. If you do want to watch or read, then all you have to do is plug your phone into this right here, and your screen shows up right here. So whether you want to watch YouTube, if you want to watch Hulu or Netflix, or if you're like me and you just want to read a book, then you can cast it on your screen and ride at the same time. It's perfect. On top of that, if you want a class, they have an app. So you can download the app and take their classes, which are really great as well. So it's perfect for anybody, whether you want a class or you want to do your own thing. Not only is it like the perfect bike that offers classes and screencasting, but it's also super affordable. So many of those bikes are so insanely expensive, and it's just not affordable. But this is insanely reasonable, so that you're not going to break the bank, but also you're going to get a perfect ride. So I have a code for you, so I'm going to put that on the screen and in the description box. So if you're interested in getting one, you have a link that you can go to in order to purchase. So I'm going to get my workout in if this little boy here lets me, and happy riding. What's going on, y'all? It is a new day. Yesterday is over. Praise the Lord. Yesterday was so challenging, and honestly, like, I really struggled with my attitude, to be honest, because I was just so exhausted, and the hardest part was just being away from Jace for so long. But we got our taxes done. We were there till midnight, or well, we were there till 11. And then I got home at midnight. It was just such a long day, and I was just so exhausted and emotionally drained, but she got it all done, and I'm just grateful that it's over. Be careful, baby, you're gonna cut yourself. And I came home to my baby, and he was so excited to see me, and I'm just glad that it's all done. I have to go back because I forgot one thing, but I just have to go back just to sign the papers, and that's it. And to give her that piece of information. But I'm just grateful. I'm grateful that the tire situation is taken care of, and that I am safe, and that my baby is safe, and like, I'm just so grateful. I think I'm just gonna start getting new tires every year, because I don't even want to take chances. But we are actually here. We're out. It's early. Well, it's like 9:30, and we're gonna be looking at a house, because I do love the place that we're at, but it is like, I moved there initially because it was so inexpensive, and it's a really nice place. I like it a lot, but it has just gotten so much more expensive. So Mom, Jason, and I have been wanting to like live together. I know that's unconventional in today's society, but we just feel good about it. So we are going to be looking into renting. That's okay, baby. We're going to be looking into renting a home, the three of us. So I'm actually quite excited about that because I actually liked living with Jason. I was really sad when he moved out. And like, even though I do love living alone, like there is just a comfort knowing that there's a man in the house, you know what I mean? And like, I just feel really good about living together. So we all feel good about it. It's just going to be a really good decision all the way around for all of us. So Jason and I are actually here right now, and we're going to go in and look at this house. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of it. So I pray that it work out, and this is our new home, and we'll see. We'll see. What's for us is for us. I know that for sure. And God is going to make sure that if it does belong to us, it will go to us. So confident in that. And I'm really looking forward to just taking a look at this place.
No.
It's okay, baby. You ready?
No.
Are you ready to go inside?
No.
It's okay, baby. All right, we're going to go. Do you like it? Is it nice? I like this. This has a good energy. Let's go. This is cute. This is a living room. Look at it, baby. Here's a bedroom. I don't know. Okay, the backyard. Let's see. You want to see? Come on. Here's another bedroom. They're really little. Oh, I don't know.
I know.
Yeah, come on. Come here, baby. Oh, this bedroom is nice. This is going to be mine probably because I have Jace. I feel really bad though. Walk-in closet. Bathroom. This is nice. I'm here for it. It's a quick little tour. I just want to... Come here, baby. Come here. This bathroom is nice and big. I'm just going to do a general... Come here, sweetie. What are you doing? Come on, honey. Good boy. This is nice. Come on. I like this. The rooms are just so tiny, though. This one's bigger. This is a decent. I like the feel of, like, look at this. This has a good feeling, a good energy. I like the kitchen. It's nice and bright in here. Okay. You like it, Jace? Come here. You want to look in the backyard?
Yeah.
There's a fireplace, wood burning.
Like that?
Yeah. See what this backyard's talking about. Nice backyard. Here's a little patio, which I'm a fan of. Come on. Careful. Good job. Let's look at the backyard. Come on. This is nice. A nice little deck. I like this. What do you think?